my god, no. This is so messy. Okay. Hola everyone. Hola everyone, what's up? It's Edgar. Welcome back to my channel. Or this is your first time here. ¿Cómo estás? Hi, how are you? Welcome. Okay, you guys, so I do not even know what I'm going to be titling this video. I just know the next like 24, 30 hours are going to be a little bit crazy, and that's because we're going to be breaking not only into Universal Studios, but we're going to be breaking into Universal Studios under a different, not a different persona. Basically, we're gonna serve a fantasy going to Universal Studios. So we're actually gonna be going to a Too Faced launch. It's gonna be for their brand new 24-hour, I think it's called Damn Girl Mascara. I actually invited my friend Kate Marks, and she was like, oh my god, I'm gonna wear this wig, I'm gonna wear this outfit, and I was like, I wanna look cute too. And I actually just got some wigs, so I was like, you know what? Too Faced is kind of like extra, so why not serve a fantasy? And I already know people are being like, oh my god, you're not Nikita Dragon, you can't serve the fantasy girl. She did not invent fantasy. Just like Miss Charles did not invent Shister, okay? Let's just keep it 100. I've never gone out in a full heel, nail, what the fuck? I've never gone out in a full like heel outfit wig fantasy, but my friend Kate, literally her wig, y'all will see it, her wig is so extra, and I was just like, oh my god, like we gotta look cute together. Fat bitches link up. That's a little ratchet. We're not like ratchet, but you know, we gotta look cute together. Currently Tuesday, the event is tomorrow in like 24 hours. I still need to go buy a top. I need to go get heels, possibly a faja too, cause yeah, right now we're gonna head to downtown LA to pick up a couple of things, and we'll see how this turns out. I want to end up looking like not a mess. I actually really want to look good. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment, all that good stuff. Turn on your post notifications, and most importantly, I'm gonna end up doing a giveaway like I always do for every single video, so stay tuned to the end so you guys can find out how to enter to win some makeup goodies. But yeah, let's get going. I'm already, oh my god, I'm already out of breath. Okay, you guys, let's go. This is what I'm gonna be using today. Cute little backpack. I found this at Target, $25. Go pick one up. They're super, super cute. It has like all the stuff I need. Oh my god. I just left my house and I looked in my car mirror, obviously when I'm pulling out, and I was like, holy Jesus, I look hella freaking greñudo today. Like, it's not even funny. I mean, I just got my hair done, so the color is cute, but I'd be looking like a little Chucky or something, you know? I didn't want to go to Los Callejones, you know, all solito, looking all cute and whatever. ¿Qué tal si me roban? Like, I'm not trying to do all that. No, I'm just kidding. I actually love the Santee Alley. You'd be surprised at how many things are sourced from downtown LA, like boutiques and whatnot. A lot of them are sourced from Los Callejones. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna go. I need to get some rhinestones for a project I'm working on. I also am looking for like little bling clips that have been really, really trendy lately. Possibly might buy a faja, because Lord knows, like, tengo nalgas, pero no, obviously I'm like a boy, so my body is a little bit like SpongeBob, a little square, and we're trying to serve a fantasy, so we need nalgotas, and we need, how do you say hips in Spanish? ¿Cómo se dice hips? ¿Cintura? No, cintura is like waist. How do you say hips? I don't know. Pero, básicamente, I need to be a little bit thicker. I have no experience with like waist trainers or anything. I actually bugged someone to see if I could borrow one of their fajas. Because, dude, I don't fucking know what I'm doing. I just know I want to look pretty and I can do pretty makeup. Yeah, we'll see what we get ourselves into in Los Callejones. Let's see what they try to sell us. But yeah, honestly, I'm kind of like excited for this. I've never done this because I didn't really have like clothes other than like OOTD fashion. I don't really have many companies, but now like Dolls Kill is sending me stuff as well. So we gonna post some looks. Alright guys, so we just made it to downtown LA. We are starting off on the edge. If you guys have ever been here, you know it's literally just like side to side, a lot of streets. So first off, I need to get some crystals for a little project I'm working on, and then we'll see what else I find. Of course, you already know, I told you I might need some fajas, some butt pads. I don't know what I'm looking for here today, to be honest, but we'll see what we find. My tea. Spill the tea, bitch. Alright, so we just made it out of the first stop. It's actually Tony's first time here. What do you think about it so far? What do you think about downtown LA, like, opinion of it?
not my favorite.
It's not your favorite, or it is?
Not my favorite.
Oh, yeah. I was telling him that I only come here literally whenever I need to. Specifically for like crystals. You guys know my little crystal teardrop that I always do. Or just like fabric or stuff like that. Because this is essentially like the first part of like the distribution chain. And then I live in Orange County, so everything from here goes over there. But I'd rather drive out here, you know, get it straight from the source. Kind of feeling a hot dog later, even though I had breakfast, but I feel like fat ass today, so I just might. Yeah, we almost got run over, but and it's pretty chill today. It's a Tuesday, so it's not that crazy. Here we are. We're here at Miss Lola Shoutique. Oh, it's not Lola Shoutique, it's just Miss Lola now. Looking at some chanclas. I feel like I want to do like the biggest like slut shoe I could find, but I know I'm not gonna be able to walk in that. Alright, so I don't know what my ass was thinking trying to find like a black turtleneck long sleeve. It's what, like almost the end of May in California. I mean, I found like some bodysuits, but they were see-through. I already have something that's see-through, black and long sleeve. I want like just a black long sleeve shirt so I won't get cold. It needs to be like skinny, you know, because I'm wearing joggers. Haven't found anything yet, but let's hope, because or else I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've literally been trying to find like a simple choker for the longest time, like a little diamond one, but I haven't been able to. And even in here, I don't really see any. I'm about to get some quick lunch, some hot dogs. We got our refreshments, we got our hot dogs. I was gonna find a little spot to sit down meanwhile, and then we'll keep on going with the rest. Just took my first bite. I wanted a quesadilla. We got a hot dog. Of course, no onions on mine because I'm petty, but some escort and some hot dogs for lunch. Probably not gonna fit in my outfit tomorrow, but here we are. Why? Alright, so we made it to Miss Lola at the Pico location. I was gonna grab something at LA, but felt like the styles, I don't know. Here we are though, Miss Lola. So we got our chanclas for tomorrow. Can I be able to walk in these? I don't fucking know. But we got chanclas. Hola everyone, what's up? It is now Wednesday. And later today is the Too Faced event that I was rushing to try to find stuff for yesterday. I got the chanclas. I'm probably gonna be crying in a couple hours. Wig is right over there. Yeah, right now, like my mom always says, yo soy enemigo del tiempo, which means I'm always like, time is my biggest enemy. And that is true. I stayed up last night like doing my eyebrows and whatnot so I can be snatched, have less things to worry about today. I probably am not gonna do like crazy makeup. I definitely do want to incorporate a little bit of like a pink glitter because I have pink in my pants. Too Faced is pink as well. Can't believe I'm bringing it into Universal Studios in a whole different undercover outfit. The name of the mascara coming out is Damn Girl. So that's why I gotta be like damn and girl with the wig. I'm gonna do my makeup really quick and I'll show you guys what we got going on in a little bit. One moment, please hold. I'm in the car. I am running late, y'all. That's my aesthetic. Looking good and running late. I'm about to go get my wig put on. Here's my beat, by the way. I still want to add like maybe a little bit of gloss, some body makeup. Here is my makeup. It's pretty cute. I have neon like pink on my pants, so I wanted to do neon pink with just like a liner on my eyes. Honestly, this is the fastest I have done my makeup in so long. I think it took like 2 hours. I usually take 3, 4, like sometimes even 5 if I'm feeling the fan to see. We're running like literally on the dot type of time, so we have a possibility of being late, which I hope we don't because the invite said 6:15 sharp and it's 3:30 right now. I think we're still good. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can skirt through traffic. I'll see you guys when I'm getting my wig put in. Oh my god, we made it to Sabino's salon. Still looking snatched. I got my faja. We're about to put on a wig and then we're gonna head out. I'm so excited. I got my pants on. I have my chanclas on. I mean, I got heels too, but I'm obviously not gonna drive in heels because I will off the road. So here we are. Maribel's helping me get my edges laid. As long as it doesn't look wiggy, that's all that matters. See, this is one of the only instances where like it's bad that I have a lot of hair because my head's already big. I got a lot of hair, and then with the wig on top, you know, it just is big.
It's hard to hide.
Yeah. Well, here's the process. Getting my edges laid. Oh my god, I've never said that, but like I'm saying it now. Getting my edges laid, my face is... No wait, my edges laid, my face is slayed. Finally, all done. I just need my tacones and we're pretty much good to go.
Valentina and you are ready. I'm just showing Valentina. I'm trying to show my face.
Valentina did my wig today. Not plastic tiara. I guess she lays edges now. Are you guys on my way to LA now? Let's hope the drive isn't too bad.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for you.
Oh, I'm ready.
We're
okay,
ready.
let's go.
Can you handle it?
Master's what?
Have a lovely. Thank you.
4 hours, even the 30th time you open it. Magic! Melting waxes?
Are we doing solos first? Yeah. And then are we gonna do one together? Yeah. Right here. Hair back right here on that side. Yes. 2, 3. Hey, let's go for that.
Mi favorite. You know, pues Sudamérica se considera latina, ¿no? ¿Verdad que tiene ahí purita latina? Wow. Laura makeup. Honestly, I should have bought my own fucking faja because I'm out here struggling, showing like titty, but whatever. Alright you guys, so I just got back from the event. I am melting. Yeah, my makeup is a little McDonald's fryer realness. Oh my god, what's in my throat? I literally just walked. As I was saying, I just got back from the event, so sorry if my makeup's a little crusty. My wig, however, she's still on. It's so glued, you guys. If you didn't know, there's like a trick to wigs. Look at this. My ears are actually inside of the wig cap, and also it's glued down. So even if I wanted to rip it off, I actually wanted to rip it off immediately after I left the event. I ripped off my tacones real quick. It was actually my first time wearing heels, and surprisingly, it wasn't that bad at all. Kind of just when I stood in the same place for a little bit, my feet were like, bitch, walk around, bitch, walk around. Yeah, the event was so much fun, and I quickly wanted to show you like the PR package that we got. Well, this was like a gift, goodie bag. Let me show you. So it says, damn girl, those lashes are thick. And then look, this is so cool when you open it up. Wait, oh my god, open up, bleach. Damn girl, those lashes are thick. That's so freaking extra. This is what we were actually celebrating today. There are some benefits in case you guys want to screenshot. And this is not the actual size of the mascara. Let me show you how it actually looks. It's this size right here. Even saw some of the Too Faced girls wearing the mascara just by itself. It looked bomb. It looked very like, it kind of reminded me, to be honest, if you guys know what like Rimen de Aguacate, like Mexican mascara, that's what it reminded me of. It's really, really thick. Apparently, every 24 hours, the mascara like sets, you know, kind of like foundation sets in a foundation bottle. This actually resets as well. So technically, every 24 hours, you have a brand new mascara. When I was sitting by the vanity, there was a bunch of mascaras out, so I was like, don't mind if I add those. I actually grabbed some extras. That means I have 2 extras for you guys. I always think about you guys first whenever I go to these things. You're gonna be some of the first ones to try out this brand new mascara. All you guys have to do to enter is like this video, be subscribed, and turn on your post notifications, and comment when done. Comment your Instagram name. 2 lucky winners are gonna win the brand new Damn Girl mascara. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Remember to subscribe and hit the post notification bell because I am posting now Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But yeah, that is everything from me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.